Now, organizers of the UTECH Track and Field Classic are promising mouth-watering clashes across several events come Saturday's 9th staging of the meet at the National Stadium. Since its first staging in 2008, the UTECH Classic has had some great days, but some not so great ones too. But 2017 is said to be one of the stellar stagings, according to meet organizer Paul Francis. Francis is promising great clashes in several events.
For example, that one of our blue ribbon events, the 100 meters, has persons like Johan Blake, has Zanel Hughes, who looked extremely good earlier this season. It has the top of the top persons right here. Javon Minze, all of them have been entered to compete in this weekend's meet.
The women's 400 meters is another of the events to watch. Among the competitors will be Olympic 400 meter hurdles finalist Genevieve Russell.
My pet event is 4 hurdles, so I need to get the flat 4 correct. So I think that's the reason why they're making me run the flat 4. I need to get balancing with my 4 hurdles and the flat 400.
And some of the top 400 runners will even be stepping down to some faster stuff.
Mark you, we have persons like bronze medalist Sherika Jackson and Stephanie McPherson who will be heading 200 meters. But all the top athletes, really, with the exception of Sir Usain, have been entered for this meet.
The meet will also be carried live on TVJ Sports Network starting at 4 p.m.